Hello everyone, do you often get leg cramps that are so painful they wake you up in the middle of the night? Or maybe during the day your muscles feel tight and sore, making everything you do feel heavy and slow? Well, did you know there's a really simple way to help with these problems, and it's by changing the foods you eat every day? Please don't change the channel. Today, our show will share 3 super good foods that not only help prevent cramps naturally, but also help older folks like you walk stronger, feel lighter, and be more confident. Welcome everyone to Live Healthy Every Day. This is where we share health tips that really work to help make everyone's life better, starting today. Eggs aren't just a common breakfast food, you know. They're also a secret weapon to help older adults keep their muscles strong. Why is that? First, they have high-quality protein. Each large egg has about 6 grams of complete protein. This means it has all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need to repair and keep our muscles. As we get older, our bodies can lose muscle easily. This is called sarcopenia, which makes cramps and weakness more likely. Eggs help fight this muscle loss. Second is vitamin D. Egg yolks have a lot of vitamin D. It's very important for helping our bodies take in calcium and for good muscle movement. Older adults often don't get much sun, so they can easily be low on vitamin D. And when you're low on vitamin D, you're more likely to get cramps and long-lasting muscle pain. One egg gives you about 40 IU of vitamin D. But if you eat it with other foods that have added vitamin D or fatty fish like salmon, it will help you get the 800 to 1000 IU you need each day. Third are vitamin B12 and choline. These two help keep your nervous system healthy by protecting the myelin sheath around your nerves. This helps messages travel better between your muscles and your brain. If you're taking medicines like metformin or stomach acid reducers, you might be low on B12. This can lead to cramps and numbness or tingling in your hands and feet. Here's a little tip for you. You should try to eat about 6 to 7 eggs a week. If you're worried about cholesterol, you can eat egg whites or talk to your doctor. You can eat eggs for dinner to help your muscles recover overnight and reduce nighttime cramps too. Bananas aren't just tasty, everyone. They are also one of the best natural ways to help with leg cramps. First is potassium. One banana, folks, has about 420 milligrams of potassium. This helps control the water in our body, nerve signals, and also how our muscles tighten. When we don't have enough potassium, doctors call this hypokalemia. It's one of the main reasons for muscle spasms and cramps. This often happens to older folks who take water pills, diuretics, or anyone who sweats a lot. Next is magnesium. This is very important for helping our muscles relax. Magnesium helps stop sudden cramps and also helps make ATP. ATP is like the energy fuel for our muscles to work, folks. One banana has about 32 milligrams of magnesium. You can eat bananas with other foods that are also rich in magnesium, like almonds or spinach, for even more benefits. Then there's vitamin B6. Each banana gives nearly 30% of the vitamin B6 an older adult needs each day. This vitamin B6 helps manage nerve messengers and reduces swelling in muscle tissues. Not only that, this vitamin also helps our body make red blood cells so that blood can carry more oxygen to our muscles better. Bananas also help keep your body hydrated. Bananas, folks, have water and natural sugars, which help keep your body's water balanced. If you eat a banana about 1 or 2 hours before bed, it can help your muscles relax and prevent nighttime cramps. Here's a little tip for you all. Try to eat 1 banana every day. If you get cramps often, you can eat 2, especially for those of you with diabetes. When you eat a banana, try to have it with some nuts or oatmeal. This helps keep your blood sugar from spiking. Don't underestimate these small, crunchy nuts and seeds, everyone. Nuts and seeds have lots of good stuff that helps stop muscle cramps and makes your muscles work more smoothly. First, let's talk about seeds that are super rich in magnesium. For example, pumpkin seeds. Just 1 ounce, which is about 28 grams, everyone, has 168 milligrams of magnesium. That's 40% of the magnesium you need every day. Then almonds have 77 milligrams, and cashews have 74 milligrams. This magnesium, you see, helps control nerve signals and lets your muscles relax. If you don't have enough magnesium, your body might have twitches, muscle spasms, and very painful cramps. Nuts rich in potassium are also very important. For example, pistachios, 1 ounce, about 28 grams, has 290 milligrams of potassium. Almonds have 200 milligrams, and cashews have 160 milligrams. When potassium and magnesium work together, these two help your body keep its electrolyte balance. This is very important, especially after you sweat a lot or after exercise. Nuts and seeds also give you good fats and protein. For example, omega-3s are in walnuts and flax seeds, or the good kind of fats found in almonds and cashews. These good fats help your body fight swelling and improve blood flow to your muscles. This way, oxygen and nutrients get to where your muscles need them most. Here's a great tip for you. Every day, you should eat a small handful of nuts, about 28 grams or 1 ounce every one, or about 2 tablespoons of small seeds like chia seeds or flax seeds. You can sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds on yogurt or oatmeal. It tastes good and it's an easy way to get more nutrients. You can eat these nuts and seeds after exercise or before you go to bed. This will help your blood flow better and reduce how often you get cramps. More tips for you all. First, stay hydrated. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Not drinking enough water is a hidden reason for cramps. Next, eat a balanced diet. Combine these foods with dark green vegetables, dairy foods, and whole grains to make them work even better. And remember to move. Gentle stretching and walking regularly will help your blood flow better and reduce stiff joints. And importantly, talk to your doctor. Always ask your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you have kidney problems, high cholesterol, or diabetes. Our final message: cramps don't have to be a normal part of getting older. Just by changing your daily meals, adding eggs, bananas, and nuts, you can really take good care of your muscles, have less pain, and stay active and independent for many years to come. Please let us know what you think in the comments below. Which of these foods will you try first? And would you like our channel to share natural ways to help with arthritis, sleep better, or keep your heart healthy in future videos? If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. This will help more people find our channel. Please subscribe to Live Healthy every day and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tips that can make your life better. Well, see you all in the next video. We wish you all to keep moving, stay healthy, and live healthy every day.